How did Disney princesses never age? Why Little Mermaid?
Because she was my favorite princess growing up. Air, they fire. Just want to be treated normal.
If Grandma and Dad got in a street fight, who's gonna win?
Grandma.
If I gave you $1 million today, what would you spend it on?
I only knew people that were, that had disabilities like me. Because she's my mama and she deserves better. My name is Amber and welcome to the kitchen.
Now, Amber, we get to the fun part where we start shaping it. We have 3 different colors. We're gonna make the shell, and who knows really what it's gonna turn out like, but that's the beauty of every seashell.
Yep.
They all have their own unique personality and look and shape, just the movement of the ocean. And I think that's a lot like life for us. I think that's part of why we're all so beautifully individual, is because life hits us like waves at times. And like you talked about, you've had some hard things that have shifted and shaped who you are, as we all have, and maybe you've had that as well. And it makes each of us look a little bit different. And that's another story of the seashell, and I love that for you, because when we get done, it may look different than what we thought, but it'll still be beautiful. Listen, queen of the kitchen, I should have stopped while I was ahead, which I'm pretty sure today I haven't been ahead, but I should have stopped then, because she has figured out how to make it look more like a shell. And that's good. And you have a disability?
Yes, I do.
Can you tell me about that?
I am basically a slow learner, but me, I don't want to call it a disability. It's an ability that we all have, and I'm proud of it. I'm happy about it. I'm not going to let anybody judge me no more. I'm not going to stand for the bullying, and I'm just happy with the people that I have, because with all the people that I have, they've changed me a lot.
What was high school like for you?
It was all right. I was a shy kid. I only knew people that were that had disabilities like me. I didn't really talk to many other people because I was a shy person and didn't know how to communicate with them, because I was afraid to mess up and all that. And all my other friends were really good with communicating, and me, I was just that shy kid.
Who told you you were shy?
Me.
Because I haven't seen that a lot in you.
Well, because ever since I started doing Young Life, I've grown a lot and actually been able to talk to a lot of people.
Yeah.
And so I just gotten better and better at it.
Yeah. What's hard about that for you? What's hard when you're trying to build relationships or meet somebody new?
I guess I'm just worried about the judgment, basically. And they don't know the stories that I've been through, and I've told people that I just want to be treated normal instead of just being a kid with an ability, not a disability, but an ability. And you know,
was it pretty typical for people to treat you different because of that?
I've always thought that they were treating us like, I've always thought they gave us a fake, communication. And so I always ignored them, and I've told many people that I wanted to be treated normally and not the way most of them treated most of them.
If you wanted someone to really know you, the real you, what would you want them to know about you?
I just want to be able to change and, be there for other people and let them know that they're not alone for what they are going through, because I know that some of them have been through what I've been through. and that they're not alone.
Yeah. And you've been through a lot.
Sure have.
All right, you ready to keep going on this show?
Yes, sir.
All right. We're just going to use our fingers because we've been using them all day. So we're just going to keep that party going. And we're going from the low part, the inverted part at the top of the shell, just to give it the look of ridges. We've taken some Rice Krispies and ground them up a good bit to give it a sand look. Can you tell me what it's felt like when people aren't kind to you?
It hurts. There's a lot of people that are posting pictures and videos of people with disability and mistreating them and laughing at them, and it's not funny at all. I've seen a lot of them being posted. I haven't said anything about any of it, but this is really important because it's not funny to laugh at somebody who can't control their disability. People are made different for a reason. They should be loved and supported no matter what.
Okay, Amber, we finished the shell. Ariel's back in business. How you feeling about it?
I love it, actually. It's really good.
We're going to try and tilt this and show you a little bit on the camera, but the sand that we put on is probably going to run off a bit because that's what sand does. But we went ahead and ground it up, put a little bit of sand around it. What was the best part of doing the creation today?
It was fun. I like doing hands-on work. I love messing with food.
Hey, blow this up with some like buttons for Amber. Leave a comment below. Let her know what you think about her creation and give her a shout out for what she's done. Hit the share button because we want everyone to hear Amber's story. What are the odds you're actually going to watch Little Mermaid while eating this?
I'm definitely going to do it.
We believe every creation is beautiful. Everyone deserves to be treated like royalty. So let's start treating you. We'll see you in the kitchen.
If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the Krispie King website.
Just hit the subscribe button below.
Yeah.